I'm Megan with Insurance Canopy. Choosing the right insurance for your cleaning business can feel overwhelming, so we're here to make it simple by helping you answer a crucial question. How do I know what cleaning coverage I need? To start, ask yourself these questions about your business. What services do you offer? Your insurance needs will depend on the services you provide. For example, if you offer specialized cleaning services like biohazard or industrial cleaning, you may need additional coverage for the unique risks associated with those services. Do you have employees? If you have a team, workers' compensation insurance is often mandatory, depending on what state you work in. What assets do you need to protect? Consider what physical assets you use to operate your business. This can include your office space, equipment, vehicles, and cleaning supplies. Understanding their value will help you choose the right coverages for you. What are the potential risks? Identify the specific risks your company faces. This could range from equipment damage to theft to slip and fall incidents at clients' properties. Recognizing these risks can help you figure out which coverages make the most sense for your business. Do you work with high-profile clients? If you're servicing high-value properties or clients, you may want to consider additional liability coverage to protect against larger claims. Beyond asking yourself these questions, there are a few things you can do to make sure you're making the right choice for your business. Conduct a risk assessment. Take the time to look for potential risks in your cleaning operation. Walk through your processes and client locations, noting any hazards or liabilities. Consult with other cleaning professionals. Networking with other cleaning business owners can be a great way to gain insight. Ask them about their experiences with insurance and what coverages they found the most helpful. Work with an insurance agent. An experienced insurance agent can be a great resource. They can assess your business needs, explain different policy options, and help you understand what coverage is necessary based on your unique circumstances. Review your contracts. Examine contracts with your clients. Some clients may require specific insurance coverages or ask to be added on your policy as an additional insured before hiring you. Understanding these requirements can help you choose coverages to help secure contracts. Stay informed about industry trends. Keeping up with industry news can also help you understand emerging risks and changes in insurance requirements. By taking these steps, you'll better understand your business's insurance needs. Remember, choosing the right coverage isn't just about compliance. It's about finding the right fit and ensuring your peace of mind. At Insurance Canopy, we provide coverages specifically designed to protect cleaning businesses like yours. If you're having any trouble, our team is here to help you understand your options. Visit our website at insurancecanopy.com or give us a call. We're here to help. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time.